Question number 6. So there are two well-insulated roads A and B. So they are joined together. The roads are in steady state and have the same cross-sectional area. So the thermal conductivity of road A is twice that of road B. So I'll label this as TA. This is the joint temperature. This is TB. Okay, so this is LB. This is LA. Alright, so the thermal conductivity of rod A is twice that of rod B. Okay, so we have to determine the temperature at the joint. So the temperature at the joint, so we are going to apply, since they are at steady state, we can state that the rate of heat transfer for A should be equal to the rate of heat transfer of rod B as well. Okay, so this one's going to be negative Ka A delta T over L. Do the same thing for here. So they have the same area, cross-sectional area. So tayo payah tulis AB gitulah. This is delta T, this is L, this is for rod B. Okay, so we can cancel A and just substitute the values lah. So this is going to be negative 2K twice the thermal conductivity of rod B, and this one's going to be temperature at joint minus temperature outside. This is for rod A. This is going to be KB saja. This one, the outside outside temperature will minus the at joint temperature over L. So this is for rod B. Okay, so lepas kamu substitute and then calculate dia, kasi simplify dia, kamu akan dapat 4.4 T minus 160 equal 50 minus T. So dari sini T akan equal to 140 degree Celsius. So that is the at joint temperature lah. Next, we have to sketch a graph of temperature against distance of the heat conduction through the rods. Okay, so we have the temperature punya axis, and then we have the distance. Okay, so this is temperature, this is distance. Temperature is gonna be in degree Celsius, distance will be in distance, apa label distance is it X? Let me just check, double check. Is it L? I think it's L. Yeah, L. Okay, so these are insulated rods. If you have problem remembering the graph, it's actually in our notes page number 8. Okay, so but first let me just do it based on the question lah. So distance is in centimeter. Okay, so we know that the temperature paling rendah is 50, so it's gonna be, if we do this, it's gonna be 40, 80, roughly saja lah. This is just a rough sketch of the graph lah. Okay, and then we have somewhere here. So assuming this is 25, and then somewhere here 80. Sebab paling panjang, paling distance is 80 kan? 55 plus 25 is 80. So maximum is 40, 80, 120, 160. Okay, so contoh lah graph dia macam ni. So untuk rod A, the maximum outside temperature is 160. So it's gonna be 160, and then the pergi 140, which is the at joint punya temperature, which is up until here lah. Okay, ini untuk rod A. So this is 140. 140. Okay. Lepas tu untuk rod B pula, dia punya temperature goes from 140 to 50. So 140 pergi 50, 140 di sini, 50 assuming somewhere here. Gitulah, okay. Alright, so that is basically the graph, but let me just draw the line lah untuk tell you that the temperatures are here and here. Sorry, 50 is here. Okay, macam tu lah. So always start with the largest. So basically the scale of the axis, it depends on the maximum and minimum number lah of the value. Paling besar, paling kecil. And then after that, kamu start dari the first material, pergi adjoint, lepas tu pergi the second material. Macam tu je lah cara buat graph dia, okay? Alright, so that is basically the graph of temperature against distance for the two rods lah. Okay, and that is the solution for question number 6.